How you guys doing today? This is Derek House with dhftns.com, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make an apple pie protein shake. So let's get to it. Take out a blender, and the first ingredient we're going to add in is 1 cup or 8 ounces of unsweetened vanilla or original almond milk. I prefer using almond milk in this recipe. However, you can use regular milk or any other milk substitute that you may prefer. 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1 scoop or around 30 grams of vanilla flavored protein powder. The type of protein you use doesn't matter either. You can use egg, soy, casein, or like I'm using whey. 2 tablespoons or around 13 grams of flaxseed. Flaxseed is a great way to get some extra healthy fats and fiber in your diet. 1/4 cup or around 61 grams of unsweetened applesauce. 1/4 cup or around 58 grams of fat-free cottage cheese. The cottage cheese is just gonna thicken it up so it's more like a milkshake. You can't taste it at all. 1 medium chopped apple. Around that size will do. I also like to leave the skin on for some added fiber in the recipe. And last, 1 cup of ice. Now blend it all together. And there is your apple pie protein shake. As far as the calories go in the whole shake, there's 378, 10 grams of healthy fats, 38 grams of carbs, 11 grams of fiber, and 34 grams of protein. Not only is it just high in protein, but it's a delicious way to get some fiber in your diet as well. Alright guys, I just want to thank you for watching. If you liked my apple pie protein shake recipe, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. It motivates me to keep making these. If you haven't already subscribed and you'd like to, you can click right there on the screen coming up. And by subscribing, you'll get an email every week telling you I upload a new video. Comments or suggestions go down below. I do try and respond to everybody. Alright guys, I got a shake to finish. Stay healthy.